Okay, let's decorate this place. I got some material stuff, and let's do this. First, let's see what kind of carpet. Yellow. 4 maybe will be enough. I don't know. 6. Good enough. Now let's see. The couch can be purple. 4. We need a lot of wood. Let's see, make wood. This gives us 4. This will be enough, okay. Whew. And we're gonna make the couches right over here. 2, 3, and 4. Cute couch. Oh no, here's going to be a kitchen yet. I'm not gonna do a second floor because I'm too lazy. If you did not know me, if you don't know me, I'm the flipping lazy person. 4. Cute. And now this. Oopa. Okay, 1 and 2. And here's going to be a little table. If the Christmas tree's gone, I'm gonna put a TV there. And the black hole if I get kill squids. Oopa, what the heck? And yeah, it looks nice, I guess. Now the kitchen. Oh yeah, I need to put down the carpet. Almost forgot. This 4, 2, now the carpet. I think carpets are nice and cute. I'm gonna get hungry soon, but where are the apples? No apple. Apple for day keeps the doctor away. Did you know that? Okay. The kitchen, yeah. Gonna use you. I mean, not all of you, but yeah. 20, yeah, I guess that would be enough. Make it. Okay, now we need some trap doors and the cute little thing. This thing. We're gonna do it the stuff the kitchen like this. That looks adorable, and then we can use here that where we can just I forgot it. Where we can cut our tomatoes. Yeah, we need to cut some tomatoes if that exists on Minecraft, but it doesn't. So yeah. Boom. This all the way up here. Okay. Now the cupboards. I was watching Fairytale. And I love Fairytale. Do you guys love Fairytale? Because I love it. Now I need to make more. 7 is good. I can make. That's a lot, but I don't care. I think this is gonna look adorable. Oopa. Oh well, that works. Voila. Adorable. Adorable. I love it. And the furnace can be the plate. Where's my pick? Is my pick in here? No, not my pickaxe. Oh, here you are, pig. I was gonna show this stuff. Get the coal. Yeah. Put it over here. Cute, I guess that's normal. That looks cute. We don't waste any trapdoors. We need a door. Door. That's not a door. And put the fridge over here. Over here. Get rid of you. Now, parkour. Yeah. Ta-da! Fridge. It's not the best fridge, but I like it. But no, we need to put something in the fridge. So I'm gonna break this. And break this. Just wasting a lot of wood, but I don't care right now. It's getting dark, but I'm decorating inside. Put this, make this, and get chests that we can open. Or Speedy. Now we need a chest. Make a chest to me. Why not? Best idea ever. Wait, yeah, 6. Let's just sleep. Doopy doop 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 doop. Okay. Make it flipping. Just another one. Why not? And put the flipping around meat or something like that in here. Jumping everywhere. Nah, voila. Ooh, no. Whoops. My fault. And ta-da! Let's get the flipping raw meats. I have a lot of raw meat. Especially of you. And you. Chicken. More? Are there more? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I found my first diamond. Yay! Awesome. But and I cannot use it. Put steak in there too. And I also killed a skeleton with gold armor. Some of them were enchanted, and oh my god, I love it. And I'm really thankful of that skeleton. But it was really hard to kill. I died once. It was really annoying, but I don't care. But I got the armor. How cool and great is that? The meat in here. I keep the apples. Num num num. Delicious. Now what? Oh. Okay, now what? Decorate displays. Oh my god. Bed. Sweetie, we need to remove you. And every single thing in here. My axe is so dead. Oh shoot, I need to find the chest room. Over there goes all the chests. I'm gonna put it there. Put that and that. And put, not the bed. Oh well. signs, the door. Just picking up every single thing. They pick up the helmet. Yeah. My chests are just going to be like this forever. I'm never gonna organize them if you know me. Because I don't like to organize stuff. Yep, a lot of torches. It's taking forever. And my flipping neck hurts. Because I'm sitting really weird. On my bed. Crossed legs on the bed. Let me pause the video and let me do it really quick. Wow. It took forever, but I finally did it. But I did not organize them because... shoot, my mom. Why? You can hear my flipping family in the background. Oh, I can make a horse armor? I did not know that. Pants. Ooh. I don't know how to make this thing. Hey, baby. We're protected. Oh, yeah. There's a lot of cows in front of my house. Let's make a really weird checkered carpet theme. So that's my sister, if you did not know. And red. That's just loud. You can't see that. This is going to be the checkered. Oh god. I'm gonna put the checkered over here because trapdoors. Oh, that's adorable. That's cute. My kitchen in my living room and everything is getting well. I think I'm in love. But this place, here has to be like that really, really bad. But the rest is good. I think I'm in love. This thing. I never built this such a cute house. Yeah, I sure did, but we're not gonna talk about it. My goodness, I forgot about all. Look at how much garbage I have in my chest. But one day I will use it. And I got this bone meal from somewhere, I don't know where. Where I get this? Was this here the whole time? I did not ask for sugar cane. Or am I just being crazy? Can I say something creepy? This bone meal appeared in my chest. Also, I mean, I don't know. Can I just say something crazy? I love the movie. I never heard such a beautiful movie of crazy princesses. A bit too for me. Some nature around. Stupid rain. I hate it. I hate it. I hate rain. I hate rain. I hate rain. Mobs are gonna stop me. Oh shoot. Close door. I hate the sound of rain in Minecraft. It's so loud. I'm thinking the sun's going down. Come on. Go down. Oh, Mom, can you please shut up for a moment? Oh my god, they're screaming. Wow. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this episode here before my parents come up from the door to my room. So, bye. Shoot.